Okay, guys, hi guys, how are you, all my YouTube friends? So, in this lesson, we are going to see before going to see. Okay, I am Surendra Ben. This is Pitman shorthand series, how to learn in 30 days. So, today, this is day 3. We are going to see compound vowels. In the day 2, we seen about vowels. Uh, in this lesson, we are going to see compound vowels. You know what are the compound vowels? So compound vowels are diphthongs, triphones and diphones. Diphthongs. What is diphthongs? Hi, why, something like that. Okay. How it happened? He's a boy. Here, pure, like that. Triphones. Any other vowel with the diphthongs. Diphthong plus any other vowel. For example, like uh, Shiva, persuage, persuage, something like that. Voyage, something like that. We see examples later. Diphones, any two vowels at the same time. Year, 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 month in an year, something like that. Okay. So now we will go to the practice session. We are going to see how these things are written. So the first thing is diphthongs. For example, take a sound of P, something P. Okay, practice so that you will get correct slant. The first thing is I, I. For example, Y. Okay, Y, W, and this symbol. This symbol is written as uh, V. Okay, it should be vertical, completely vertical. Uh, it should be just like V. Okay, whenever you are pressing, you have to write V only. Okay, the thing is, it will be written in the first place only. I is written in the first place only. It becomes P plus I, pi, P-I-E, pi. Okay, this is about I. And the next thing is I, O-Y or O-I, anything. Take the example of boy, boy. This is B, thick version, and you can write like, what is this symbol, greater than or less than? It is less than, so it is greater than. Okay, so you can write a greater than symbol. This is also applicable for the first place only. Only first place, only first place. Okay, the next thing is, and here you can write after the stroke or before the stroke in the first place. Okay, I will give you the examples later. You can write, but you can write in the first place, before or after. It is OI, I. The next thing is OW, O-W. OW is, for example, OUT, out. He is out, balded, something like that. T, because first we will write consonant stroke, then only we will write vowels. Okay, so remember that is very important. However, the consonant strokes are, first write all the consonant sounds and then place the vowel sounds. So out, before T the sound is coming, so before T we have to write out. The symbol is for out, yeah. You write a yeah, na? So don't write this thing. It's a simple upward inverted this thing. It is written in the third place only, after or before. tau. I don't know what is tau, but if you want to write tau, you can write tau. It is written in the third place only. And another thing is u. If you want to write pure, P-U-R-E, pure, pure, you can write here. It is somewhat, uh, how can, it's semicircle, okay? Circle like that. It is also applicable in the third place only, before or after. If any vowel occurring after the stroke in the third place, if it is followed by another consonant, you have to shift that into the before part of the next stroke. For example, pure. First write the consonant strokes and place it next. Pure. So it has to come here, but we won't write after the stroke in third place. We will write that instead of before part. Here. Pure. Just remove here and place it here, third place. Okay. How it becomes the third place means we are writing from here our stroke, from bottom to top. So wherever we are starting, that is first place. So first, second, third. So it is pure. So this is all about diphthongs. I will quickly summarize. There are 4 diphthongs. 2 are written in the first place, before or after. 2 are written in third place, before and after. First thing is I, phi, bi, hi, anything. The second thing is I, boy, voyage, something. Voice, voice, V-O-I-C. And next one is ow, ouch, outrageous, something like that. Last one is you, pure, something like that. Okay, so practice these things. And the next thing is triphones. Tri, what do you mean by tri? It is nothing but die plus 1. What is meant by die? Die is nothing but 2. Okay, die is 2 and 1. Diphthongs means 2. Okay, so and one diphthong plus 1. Previously we learned I, boy. It is not boy, okay? It is toy, something. Okay, I just writing where it will be. In the first place, these two, and something is inside. You can write here also. I'm just taking an example, okay? Exactly. So this is the first place. This is the third place. Strokes. So we will write another half stroke. I mean another dash combined to this thing. Originally it is V, and we will write another stroke. It will become triphone. It is this thing, and we will write at the end another thing. At the end we will write another stroke. At the end stroke, and we will write another stroke. It will become triphone. Why we need triphones? For example, in some cases we come across triphones. Let's say science, 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 S-C-I-E-N-C-E, science, uh, science. Okay, first write the consonant stops and then apply. Sci, we have to write ends, science. You cannot write here because there should be only one science. You cannot write two places. We cannot write only one places. Science, science. Okay, science only we can say. Uh, if you want to say science, you have to place another stroke that becomes for anything A or E or I. For everything you have to place one another extra dash. Okay, it's simple. Oh yeah, oh you okay, just like thing. I will give you the examples. If you follow the examples, it will be very easy. The next thing is that examples we will see in the PowerPoint. Don't worry. The next thing is diphones. Diphones are two vowels. There's a difference between diphthongs and diphones. Diphthong is something like compound. Okay, diphones is two vowels occurring at the same time. Uh, for example, mm, seeing, 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 seeing. Here E is coming and E is coming at the same time. Seeing. I will write for this S. Don't write like this. Just pressure apply. Okay. Seeing. You have to write here. Instead, we would write here. Okay. See. Where we have to write E. Another E. So there is a dilemma. So then we will write something like diphones. It is similar to I, but care should be taken that we should not write vertical V, we should write something slant. It is not also V, but it is V only. There will be more space, it will be less space, something like that. Okay, we will write seeing because starting is occurring. Okay, so we will write it just like that. You can write at any place, starting place, second place, third place, anywhere. But don't write like this, okay? Write like a slant version. So we will write some examples, practice these things. That's it for the theory. So first place, second place, third place. Uh, First place, diphthongs 2 will be occurring. Third place 2, triphones, first place 2, second place 2, and third place 2. And diphones you can apply at the 3 places because it's just two vowels occurring in the same space. You have to place the vowels only after writing the consonant strokes completely. So diphthongs examples: hi, bye, 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 cycle, I, boy, choice, how, bounty, you, cure, pure, assume, triphones, dial, dial, dial. Okay. Uh, can I write these things? Okay. I will write. Okay. I will write. No problem. Okay. For dial, we will write. mm, for dial, D and L. Dial. Dial in the first place. Voyage. V and J. Thicker version. Okay. You have to write thicker at once. It is also thick. Voyage. Voyage. Okay. If you place this only, voyage. If you place this in, voyage. Power. P R. Power. This becomes power. You have to write power. Okay, this is A only, like upward. Power. Jewel. Jewel. It becomes jewel. If you write another extra word, jewel. 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 Okay. Back to this thing. Jewel. Diphones. Sahib and drawing. Where do I will write this to? Sahib. Sahib. Okay, Sahib. Not H is silent. Okay. S B. Big version of B. Saib. Sa A plus E at the same time. So a slant version of I. Saib. 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 Okay. Drawing. D R inform N G. D R A drawing. Drawing. Okay. For that you can write drawing because A and E are coming next to each other. Poet. Poet. P and T. O. Here O is coming, so you have to start here. Okay. Poet. Slang version of poet. Table. It is B and it is B L. Here you have to write payable. 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 Okay, just like that. Whatever it is, don't think that it is two dashes. Okay, it is not for two dashes. No, it is for two consequent simultaneous obtaining vowels. Okay, not think that these two are dashes A and E when these two are simultaneously occurring. Then we have to put this thing. Okay, even that is in dashes, we will put like this. Don't worry about dashes or dots, but two vowels are there. You have to put like this. And those are not matching with ow, boy, something different. Okay, let's finish it off. So practice these things, say aloud. This third place, it is very important. And exercise, if you have textbook, no problem. No textbook, no problem. Take a newspaper and write it down. All the best, and see you guys in the next video. Until then, take care and happy Diwali.